Morning, Logan. What are you doing?
See how big this sink is, bro?
So we're heading to the beach and converting to pesos.
Yeah, I think we're doing breakfast first.
Breakfast first sounds great. It does.
Are we day drinking?
Yes, yes. A mimosa. That sounds great. You mind if I bite your flow?
I sang that part. I want to meet your madre. Respects to your padre, mi amor. And his dad goes, "Oh, you learning Spanish now?" Yeah. Have you heard of Aubrey Graham? He's like, "No, who's that?" I'm like, "It's this guy on YouTube. He teaches Spanish and stuff."
You should really meet the Graham sometime.
We're gonna bunker up. The barbed wire, the fucking.
Yeah, the barbed wire, the spikes on the top. Like, look at the barbed wire above us.
Wall on top of the barbed wire.
Loma Linda.
Hey, look at it.
Yeah. Whoa.
Even on this wall. This colorful ass wall.
Dude, my name is everywhere. So we're on the sidewalk, and it just goes directly through restaurants, past seating. We just walk in, walk out. Wait. I can't tell which is which.
I look back, but you don't look at me. I feel trapped, but ignore ecstasy. I look back, but you don't look at me. I feel trapped, but ignore ecstasy.
Swimming in the money, come and find me. It's Nemo.
You ain't gonna get a koozie for $5.
Look at it. Smells so good. Oh my god, that's sick. That is how they make corn tortillas. Smoking the fattest doink under, sucking a gun under that tree. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Lexi, you seen this? Lexi, come look at this.
You want a nibble?
Oh my god. Bro, I forgot my glasses were on my hat and I dropped them. Can you see them?
Do you see Swipe the Fox?
Yeah, here. Right there. You see them? I was so scared though. What? This is so sick. Man, this is so nice.
Inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
You actually fuck it up worse if you use it on the backside.
Wow. I had no idea. Chad, if you just learned something, comment beans.
It's because when you most people when they try walking on the bad side,
Yeah.
they put more weight on it because they have the cane.
Oh, that makes sense. So, we're getting our hair braided. Are you getting your hair braided? I'm getting my hair braided on the beach because I was told to.
I hear you. Yeah. Thank you.
We're sitting at a restaurant.
Yeah, no, we're sitting down to get some drinks and we're getting our hair braided and getting salesmanship.
Just got
200?
Mr. Pockets over here. Yeah, we are actively sitting at a restaurant. Gracias.
I already got braided.
Huh? Manana? See?
Maybe if my team could win a Super Bowl.
True. Best nachos on planet Earth. Sideways.
Hell no, boy.
You got to do it sideways. The vlog's not gonna be full.
360.
Shake 'em. Shake 'em.
Shake 'em. Hey, shake 'em.
If you don't know how to braid,
Hit that follow button.
Got anything to say?
Hit that follow button.
Hit that follow button.
Hit that follow button.
I say easy way.
You get matching ones.
We'll be right back.
Alrighty, I'll just be sitting right here, unable to move. How am I looking on the left side, Logan? I don't know what I'm gonna look like.
I
had to get my second hand in here so the footage wasn't so shaky because I was trying to hold it with one hand. And look at the wonderful job done by the braidster. Not only her.
That boy got done up nice. Yeah, shake on,
No, let me drink.
Chug it. Sit. All right, let me get some.
Yeah, I gave him all the. I have nothing. Get out of the way. It's like bro wants to be in the video or something.
Come on, you look starving.
Wait, keep your hands still. Keep your hands still. Like I would say, put it on the floor.
Dude, my friends.
Oh my god.
Before we go up the hill, I'm definitely doing that. I'm not going up the hill with this slide.
Bro, that was the closest ever. The mile trek to our place has not been an easy task, but the beer's making it easier. Yeah! I love it here! I fucking love it here! This is gorgeous. Holy shit.
Beers?
Corona Familiar, chat. Really good. I've never had this. Me to 1 million subs so I can buy a spaceship.